Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today we're going to teach you how to sign up for Twitter. To sign up for Twitter, open any browser on your desktop or your phone and go to twitter.com. This is the home page of Twitter. Here you can find two options to sign up and log in. So we don't have account, so we have to click on sign up. Now fill your name and phone number in this page and click next and click on sign up. Now Twitter will send you verification code on your phone number that you entered. So check your phone, click OK and check your phone for the code and enter it in this screen. And click on next. And in this screen choose a password for your Twitter account. Your password should be 6 characters or more. I recommend you to use numbers, letters and symbols on your password to make it stronger. Now your Twitter account is ready to use. You can choose a profile picture now or you can do it later. And here in this screen you can write about yourself, so when other people visit your profile they can know what kind of person you are. So you can write it now or do it later. If you want to do it later, you click on skip for now. So your Twitter account is ready to use. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned how to create Twitter account. Thank you.